Hi, I'm Elise and I'm studying level 2 vehicle body repair. I chose vehicle body repair as I enjoy being around vehicles and the artistic side of things. I grew up with an artistic family and wanted to go into the vehicle motor side of jobs. The one thing I love about this course is that it's practical and everyone gets involved and everyone helps each other. We have the workshop where we repair the plastic panels, the spray booth and paint mixing room. My long-term career path currently is going into vehicle spraying. In 5 or 10 years' time, I see myself hopefully owning my own company doing repair and spraying. I would recommend Coleg Gwent as they offer a wide range of courses, very different as in high school. Everyone wasn't as supportive and nice, and joining a course where everyone's interested in the same thing and you all get along very easy. They're very supportive with everyone's needs.